Alright, so today I'm gonna be explaining the new Ask Hurt Limited bot. I know people have a little bit of confusion with this, so I'm gonna explain it to you. So basically, I'm gonna sh I'm gonna show you how to use it. So when you use it, you want to put your Roblox security. So let's do it like this. So when you do it, you want to put like it'll say Roblox security equals. You're gonna want to put your cookie that you get from edit this cookie. So if you don't know how to get your cookie, all you do is roblox.com. Then you're just gonna press this, press that, uh, press Control A, Control C. Then you're just gonna paste it inside the right over here, which is that's half my cookie. You can't get the full. But anyways, once you do that, it should look like this. You should have your cookie. Just paste it there, no space. Just paste it. Once you do that, you don't want to mess around with these settings. If you're trying to snipe something like one item, if you're trying to snipe one item, then you can mess around with these settings. But if you're just trying to snipe multiple items, then you're gonna first want to go to create combo list, and you can use any one of these. I use best selling and 25% off, and you can change how many pages you want it to scrap. Basically, scrapping is how many pages you want it to how many pages you want it to take to how many limited you want it to buy off a page. Oh, hold on, sorry. Um, After that, you could just press this. Well, don't press this. You press whatever you want. I recommend this. You're gonna press create combo, and then a whole bunch of words that look like this are gonna pop up. You're gonna press Control A, Control C, and then you're gonna put it in any text file. Once you put it in text file, you're gonna press this, and you're gonna select the text file of whatever text file you saved it to of the combo. Once you do that, you just press start multiple sniff. Now, Ice Pools is gonna be updating this for it to detect the lost. So right now, it's pretty good right now, but this was just clearing up of how to use this. It's not that hard. You would know that it's running because once you press start multi sniff, this should come up. You should see this. If this doesn't come up, then you did something wrong. This sometimes changes, sometimes don't. So that's all I wanted to clear up. See you guys later if I can end the